Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing all right. I'm down here at the Gasconade River, first bridge just east of Hartville, Missouri, and looks like we're gonna have an early fall. It's gonna cut me short for about 3 weeks of wading. And it's about 65 degrees out here, and gonna head on the Gasconade, and hopefully I can get some smallmouth, and then again I get another week of wade fishing, because it's a little bit chilly. So starting out with the crawl, and come along with me and see if I get any smallies. Just got the first smallmouth of the day. Right there. They're in here. And he ain't a bad one either. He ain't a bad one. He's about 9 inches. Got him in this pool right here. I should have had my camera going because I figured I'd catch one right here, but hopefully I got him on film. Let's let him film. Got one. Dude. Oh wait. I got him. Got one. Perfect. Made up for that last one that I lost. So I didn't retie my knot. He's a good 10 inchers. We'll take her. Got one. Oh man. There we go. That's 3. I mean, he's a chunker, and you can tell he's a largemouth, about 9 inches. And he's feeding right now. That's one thing about the Gasconade. It's cold enough for the smallmouth, warm enough for the largemouth. Got a bite. Got him. Oh, he's a monster. Got him. Woo! That makes up for that one that I lost earlier. Guys, he is, man, look at him. He's a solid 2 pound smallmouth. Just gorgeous. And I'm already 4th fish in, and I know I lost that one earlier, but he's definitely bigger. On the Gasconade. Let's just go him back. Man, I knew there'd be one in there. They're feeding. They know it's getting cold out. They know they need to fill their bellies. and they're filled. We got smokes. A little hole. We got a log brush up here. Running water. This is just a recipe for a bass in here. Something bit it. There's some bass. Got him. There's a bunch of them in there. Oh, he's a chunker. He is a chunker. He's a muddy one. He's a good 11 inches. I'm gonna let him go back. He's all right. I got the line is when you're early 50s, I can't see what I'm doing when I'm trying to reline on this crawl because I've got my contacts in. So then I'm doing half-ass knot tying. So I'm gonna try again. Hole on the back side and see if we can get one. Right there. Got him. Another one. Click it and run. Running on the bank. There you go, buddy. I knew there would be one in there. Now he wants to go back out. And I'm getting some good ones too. He's got a weird forehead. Kind of a weird, strange forehead. I mean, that's a weird forehead on a smallmouth. It's almost like he's deformed. But I've never seen. Let's let him go back. Let him go. It's got another one. Hey, another one. He's a chunker. Man. Got right here, little sunfish. Little green sunfish, first one of the day. Let's bring him back in. Got one. What is he? It's nice. Man, that's a chunker of a green sunfish. He is a fatty. Got him. There he goes. Came back for it. I got off. All right, he's in there. Let's see if he gets it. Got him. Ah, I got him. Finally. Third time is a charm. Guys, that took 3 times. I missed him, but he wanted it. It's a nice largemouth. So got him on film. I've lost him twice, and I finally caught him. It's a nice largemouth. All right, let's try this hole right here by that rock. This river ain't the prettiest river. It's the only thing I don't like about it. But man, it's got some fish in it. It's probably my favorite to fish at. I thought I had it hit. We got some rocks over here. Okay, that was a sunfish. I might switch. I might have to switch my crawdad because it's pretty well shot. Something's hitting it. Come on, hit it, take it. Ah, got off. Kind of overhang a little bit, big old rock, and slow moving water. There is a smallmouth in here. I'm about ready to call it a day. Been 2 hours, 3, man, I'd say about 3. The trek back, the walk back is, whew, it's fun, but it's tiresome. There we go. Right there. Let's get one in here. Nothing. Got him. Oh, that was awesome. Oh man, that was awesome. I said nothing and then I got one. Oh man. Nice little largemouth. There we go. About 10 inches. Let's bring it back. On the way back, got a smallmouth. He's off. We'll count him. He was a tiny one. Got one. Got him. It's a big old. Oh, got one. Perfect. He got off. Oh well. Got it. And he got off. I doubt it. There we go. Let's get this guy in. He got off. Shoot. There we go. Let's get him in. Ah, might have been the same one I lost. Work it again. It's probably the same one that I lost. What a day. Just got done fishing Gasconade, the first bridge past Hartville, Missouri. And man, I caught some bunch of fish. It's fall, they're feeding. I caught an 18-inch smallmouth. He's probably a little over 2 pounds. I lost a few. I had one break my line because I didn't tie my knot on that first bass I got caught within 30 minutes, and retied, and I caught that other big smallmouth. Caught a bunch of smallmouth. It's great. It was a great day today, and hopefully it ain't my last wade of the year, but like I said, it was pretty chilly and fall's moved in, and I hope you guys are doing all right. And till then, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.